4. The story. A Shah there was who ruled the realm of Yun and wore the ring of empire of Skandar, and in his reign a sage who had the tower of wisdom so strong the foundation built, that wise men from all quarters of the world to catch the word of wisdom from his lip went in a girdle round him, which the Shah observing took him to his secrecy, stirred not a step, nor set design afoot, without that sage's sanction, till so counselled from calf to calf reached his dominion. No nation of the world or nation's chief who wore the ring, but under span of his, bowed down the neck. Then rising up in peace, under his justice grew, and knew no wrong, and in their strength was his dominion strong. The Shah that has not wisdom in himself, nor has a wise man for his counselor, the wand of his authority falls short, and his dominion crumbles at the base. For he, discerning not the characters of tyranny and justice, confounds both, making the world a desert and the fount of justice a sarab. Well, was it said, better just kafir than believing tyrant? God said to the prophet David, David, speak, and to the challenge, answer of the faith within thee. Even unbelieving princes, ill-reported if unworthy, yet if they be just and righteous, were their worship of the fire, even these unto themselves reap glory and redress the world. And whether it's in issuing punishment or helping out or whatever, the good and truth that is brought forth by anybody, that stuff counts. That stuff is important, essential. And on top of that, when you have a Muslim majority country, everything that goes wrong is blamed on Islam by the wicked doers. And it can keep people from accepting Islam and finding more of that good and truth that they may be missing. Alexander, I don't know why they don't say Alexander, because we all know who Sikander is. And is it Kaf to Kaf? To Kaf, or is it Kaf to Kaf? K to Q or Q to K, or is it just the same letter that's intended here?